Imagine this. It's a crisp July night in 2025, and high in the Chilean Andes, a telescope named ATLAS, standing for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, scans the velvet black sky like a vigilant sentinel. Suddenly, a flicker. Not the steady glow of a star, but something wild, untamed, hurtling toward us at 137,000 miles per hour. Discovered on July 1st, with whispers of its presence dating back to June 14th, this isn't just another rock tumbling through the void. No, this is 3I/ATLAS, the third confirmed interstellar wanderer to grace our solar system, following in the enigmatic footsteps of Oumuamua and Borisov. It's a visitor from beyond our cosmic fence, ejected from some distant star system eons ago, drifting through the icy blackness for millions, perhaps billions of years. And now, as of October 25th, 2025, with its closest solar rendezvous just days away on October 30th, scientists worldwide are on the edge of their seats, hearts pounding with a mix of awe and trepidation. What secrets does it carry? What stories of forgotten worlds? If you're feeling that same electric thrill right now, the kind that makes you stare at the night sky and wonder if we're truly alone, drop a like below. Let's share this cosmic curiosity together, because stories like this unite us all, no matter where we call home. Picture yourself there, in that moment of discovery. The astronomer at the controls freezes, coffee cup midway to their lips. Data streams across screens, a hyperbolic orbit, screaming interstellar, louder than any siren. This isn't a local comet looping back like an old friend. It's a one-way traveler, unbound by our sun's gravity, destined to wave goodbye after its fleeting visit. At 410 million miles from the sun when first spotted, nestled within Jupiter's vast domain, 3I/ATLAS was already accelerating, a silver arrow loosed from the bow of the universe. Its nucleus? A shadowy enigma, estimated between 1,444 feet and 3.5 miles across, a behemoth weighing in at least 33 billion tons, dwarfing its predecessors by a factor of 1,000 or more. Feel that weight? It's not just mass, it's the gravity of the unknown pulling at your soul, reminding us how small we are, yet how vast our capacity for wonder. As it barrels inward, reaching perihelion at a safe 1.4 astronomical units, 130 million miles from our star, it's no threat to Earth, passing us at 1.8 AU, a respectful cosmic distance. But oh, the questions it stirs. In a world divided by borders and beliefs, this wanderer reminds us, the stars don't discriminate. They're for everyone. If this hooks you, share it with a friend who's ever dreamed under the same sky. Let's make this story go viral, one heart at a time. And yet, beneath the poetry lies the pulse of science, raw and relentless. Telescopes from Hubble to James Webb have turned their unblinking eyes upon it, capturing a teardrop-shaped cocoon of dust enveloping its icy heart on July 21st, confirming it's no inert asteroid, but a living comet, exhaling gases into the void. As October unfolds, with the object now warming under the sun's gaze, depositing gigawatts of energy on its surface, the global community, from Chilean observatories to Martian rovers, holds its breath. This isn't just data, it's a bridge to the infinite, a chance to touch the untouchable. What if, in peering at 3I/ATLAS, we glimpse not just ice and rock, but the fingerprints of creation itself? Hang on tight, because this tale is just igniting, and by the end, you'll see the night sky anew. Comment below. What's the one question burning in your mind about this interstellar guest? Now, lean in closer, because here's where the story twists like a comet's tail in solar wind. Every interstellar visitor before 3I/ATLAS played by the rules. Predictable paths, gentle brightenings, tails fluttering away from the sun like scarves in a breeze. But this one? It's the cosmic rebel, the one that arrives at your stellar doorstep and flips the table. Scientists expected a routine flyby. Heat up near the sun, sprout a tail, fade into predictability. Instead, 3I/ATLAS laughed, or so it seems, and rewrote the script. From its discovery, it defied norms, its brightness surging unexpectedly, not in the smooth arcs of mathematical elegance, but in jagged spikes that left experts double-checking their instruments. Imagine the frustration, the exhilaration. Seasoned astronomers who've mapped billions of years of celestial dance, suddenly questioning their own eyes. As of late September 2025, reports flooded in of it glowing brighter than models predicted, a flare in the dark that whispers, "I'm different." Feel the emotional undercurrent here, the quiet terror of the unknown mingling with childlike joy. For every researcher poring over light curves that zigzag like a heartbeat under stress, there's a stargazer in a remote village, telescope in hand, feeling connected to something larger than life. This isn't abstract, it's personal. 3. I/ATLAS challenges us to confront our assumptions, to embrace the chaos that fuels discovery. Its trajectory, aligned with our ecliptic plane to within a mere 5 degrees, a statistical fluke with just 0.2% odds, feels less like chance and more like intention, threading through the solar system with the precision of a navigator charting unclaimed seas. And its timing, optimized to graze Mars on October 2nd to 3rd, then Venus and Jupiter in sequence, with odds slimmer than 0.005%. It's as if the universe conspired to give us front row seats. But defiance breeds deeper questions. Why this path? Why now? As it hurtles past the asteroid belt, its luminosity erupts in bursts untethered to solar distance or gravitational tugs, chaotic, like a stock ticker gone mad, defying the serene curves of natural law. Picture the human side. Late nights in control rooms, coffee-fueled debates echoing across time zones, from Cambridge to Canberra. This object doesn't just move. It provokes, stirring a global chorus of curiosity that transcends languages and latitudes. If you're captivated by rebels, celestial or otherwise, smash that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Does this feel like fate or just fabulous coincidence? Our shared wonder is what makes these stories timeless. Transitioning from rebellion to revelation, let's chase the colors that paint this tale. Because 3I/ATLAS doesn't just defy gravity, it dances with light in ways that steal your breath. Ah, the colors. Oh, the colors. If space were a canvas, 3I/ATLAS would be the artist splashing hues where none should be. In July, Gemini North's gaze revealed it as red, basking in crimson reflections more than blue, a ruby rogue against the starry ink. But by September 9th, 2025, something shifted. A steep rise in cyanide production, CN molecules absorbing ultraviolet sunlight like alchemists at work, flipped the palette to green-blue, a verdant glow evoking alien forests or emerald seas on worlds we'll never tread. This wasn't the languid fade of comets warming gradually. It was a swift transformation, too rapid, too untimely for the distance from our sun. Normal comets blush over weeks, their chemistry unfolding like a slow-blooming flower under predictable heat. 3I/ATLAS ? It changed in days, as if flipping a switch, leaving spectroscopists scratching heads and hearts racing with what-ifs. Envision the emotion. A young student in Mumbai, glued to live feeds, watches the spectrum morph and feels a pang of homesickness for undiscovered homes. An elder in the Scottish Highlands, under ancient skies, recalls folklore of sky spirits and smiles at the echo. These shifts aren't mere data points. They're emotional bridges, linking our inner worlds to the outer. The green hue, tied to diatomic carbon reacting in the coma, hints at volatiles sublimating in the near-absolute zero chill it endured for eons. But why so abrupt? Why at the wrong solar remove? It's as if 3I/ATLAS carries its own internal fire, igniting colors on a whim. And the brightness, those explosive leaps, from barely visible to a beacon overnight, then plunging back, untethered to any heating curve we've mapped. Scientists describe light curves jagged as mountain ranges, not the gentle waves of siblings past. This variability, peaking in late September, evokes a performer stepping into the spotlight, then vanishing mid-act, teasing, tantalizing. Globally, it sparks unity. Online forums buzz from Tokyo to Toronto. Families gather for backyard viewings, sharing awe across screens. If this chromatic chaos stirs your spirit, hit share. Let's flood the world with wonder. Comment your favorite color in the cosmos. Mine's the green of 3IATLAS, promising mysteries untold. From hues to beams, the story surges forward into light that bends the rules we thought unbreakable. Hold your breath, because now we plunge into the heart of the impossible. The beam. Not a tail trailing like a comet's sigh, but a forward-thrusting lance of light, stabbing toward the sun with defiant grace. Captured by Hubble in late August 2025, this jet, stretching 10 times longer sunward than wide, up to 6,200 miles from its nucleus, defies 4 billion years of solar system lore. Every comet tail points away, pushed by solar wind like leaves in a gale. This? It points toward a cosmic lighthouse beaming homeward, fanning out as the nucleus spins, dust and gas bursting from sun-heated weak spots. The imagery sears the soul, a purple-streaked streak in Gemini North composites, a dramatic arc in Taida Observatory footage from August 2nd, 159 exposures woven into proof of the improbable. Experts like Mikel Serra-Ricard call it usual for jets sunward, born of uneven sublimation, carbon dioxide, and dust erupting like geysers. Yet its focus, its persistence across vast voids suggests more. Unknown physics, or an organizing hand maintaining the beam's sharp edge, not the diffuse scatter of nature. Emotionally, it's a gut punch of humility. Our laws, etched in textbooks, crumbling under stellar scrutiny. A mother in Nairobi explains it to her child as the universe's secret flashlight, igniting dreams. A physicist in Beijing weeps at the elegance, feeling the cosmos whisper back. This beam isn't chaos, it's clarity, a signal amid the static. As October 25th ticks toward perihelion, with the jet still active, it evokes global reverence, a reminder that exploration heals divides. Like if this defies your expectations too. Subscribe for more tales that challenge and charm. What's your take on this backward beam? Drop it in the comments. Your voice adds to the chorus. Seamlessly, from Light's Rebellion, we delve into the building blocks, chemistry that mocks our periodic table. Prepare to taste the forbidden for 3IATLAS's. Makeup is a cosmic cocktail, defying every brew we've stirred. James Webb's near-infrared spectrograph, peering on August 6, 2025, unveiled a composition that's 95% carbon dioxide, a mere 5% water ice, flipped from the dirty snowball standard of water-rich comets. Add traces of carbon monoxide, and it's like finding a desert oasis built of salt and steel. Then the kicker. Abundant nickel, sans its eternal twin iron, a separation rarer than a blue moon in stellar forges, echoing industrial alloys more than natural genesis. This isn't dry data. It's an emotional whirlwind. Imagine the JWST team, data fresh from the void, gasping at spectra that scream otherness. Smithsonian analyses highlight how this CO2 dominance, with exotic nickel, hints at birth in alien crucibles, perhaps a rogue planet's mantle or a star's eccentric nursery. For diverse viewers, it's relatable alchemy. The home cook tweaking a recipe with impossible ingredients, yielding magic. A farmer in rural India sees parallels in monsoon miracles. An urban artist in New York sketches molecular dances, yet beneath lies vulnerability, our chemistry, so earthbound, exposed as provincial. As October advances, with water spews noted like a cosmic fire hydrant on October 14th, contradictions deepen the intrigue. Low water overall, yet bursts of H2O defying the dry profile. Spin period of 16.16 hours, dust loss from 0.3 to 4.2 kilograms per second. Activity levels that baffle, polarizing light to extreme negatives, as if veiling secrets. This plume, rich in anomalies, evokes a profound humility, urging global collaboration. Share if this chemistry captivates. Comment your wildest theory. Let's brew ideas together. From molecules to minds. The narrative arcs to Harvard's bold voice, where speculation meets science. Enter Avi Loeb, Harvard's trailblazing astronomer, whose words ripple like stones in a still pond. Decades of probing the uncomfortable. Avi's the one asking, what if? When others whisper, impossible. For 3IATLAS, he doesn't shy. He hypothesizes 30 to 40% chance it's no natural drifter, but engineered. A mothership dispatching probes. Its brightness bursts like launches from a hangar in the stars. His July 17th paper dissects it. The jet as propulsion or signal, chemistry as crafted alloy, trajectory as plotted course. The emotion? Awe laced with unease, like glimpsing a shadow in your peripheral vision. Loeb's blog, Post-Mars Flyby, on October 3rd, recaps anomalies, size, jet, chemistry, all screaming artifact on his self-devised Loeb scale, never dipping below a tantalizing 2. Critics cry over hype. NASA counters with simplest is comet. Yet his voice amplifies the human quest, from SETI skeptics to backyard dreamers. Globally, it resonates. A Kenyan philosopher ponders intelligence's universality. A Brazilian engineer envisions tech leaps. This isn't fringe, it's fuel for imagination. As October 25th nears, with perihelion looming, Loeb urges radio watches for wow. Signal echoes, 9 degrees aligned, 0.6% chance fluke. It's a call to vigilance, wrapped in hope. Like if Loeb's boldness inspires you. Comment, artificial or accident. Your perspective enriches us all. Gliding from hypothesis to helm, we follow 3I/ATLAS's masterful course through our neighborhood. Now, let's sail the cosmic seas, where 3I/ATLAS navigates with a precision that feels almost too perfect, like a master cartographer charting an unseen map. Its trajectory, aligned within 5 degrees of our solar system's ecliptic plane, threads through our cosmic neighborhood like a needle through silk, a statistical fluke with just a 0.2% chance. It grazed Mars on October 2nd to 3rd, 2025, will pass Venus on November 3rd, then Jupiter, with odds of such a strategic tour at a mere 0.005%. Unlike most interstellar rocks, which tumble chaotically at odd angles, this feels deliberate, a calculated path passing close enough for observation, yet far enough to avoid Earth's defenses, like a cautious explorer scouting new lands. The emotional resonance is profound. We're all navigators, steering through life's uncertainties, much like this cosmic voyager. Picture a sailor in the Philippines, guiding his boat by starlight, feeling a kinship with 3I/ATLAS's precise course. Or a coder in Berlin, mapping algorithms, seeing echoes of its strategic flybys. As it approaches perihelion on October 30th, it will slip behind the sun from Earth's perspective, its actions hidden by solar glare, a cosmic curtain call that fuels speculation. Is it recharging, signaling, or simply melting? Global teams, from ESA's Mars Express to NASA's Perseverance rover, stand ready, their instruments weaving a tapestry of human ingenuity. Imagine the late-night vigils, astronomers in Australia's outback, bundled against the chill, poring over data, families in rural India, gathered under starlit skies, sharing stories of cosmic travelers. This precision isn't just mechanics, it's a dance of intent, a choreography that feels alive, evoking awe across cultures. October 3rd, 2025, etched itself into history as Mars, our red sibling, became humanity's eye on 3I/ATLAS. As it passed closest, just 30 million kilometers from the Martian surface, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, wielding the high-rise camera, captured images at 30 kilometers per pixel, a groundbreaking first, the first interstellar visitor photographed from another planet. ESA's Mars Express and Trace Gas Orbiter joined the effort from October 1st to 7th, snapping fuzzy comas and spectral hints, offering angles Earth's telescopes can't match. This wasn't just a scientific feat. It was a moment of cosmic kinship, our robotic allies extending our vision across the void. The stakes are soul-shaking. This flyby was our one shot to pierce 3I/ATLAS's veil before it flees forever into interstellar space. These images probe its illumination. Does it glow from within, or reflect sunlight in ways we don't understand, potentially rewriting physics or confirming alien technology? Picture the emotional weight. Engineers in Pasadena erupt in cheers as data streams in. A Bedouin astronomer in Jordan whispers prayers under the same stars. A schoolteacher in Jakarta inspires her students with live feeds. The Martian perspective, free of Earth's atmospheric haze, could reveal cracks, jets, or structures unseen from 1.8 astronomical units away. Global collaboration shines. China's Tianwen-1, India's Mangalyaan, and amateur astronomers worldwide add their lenses, a symphony of curiosity. This moment, fleeting as a shooting star, carries the weight of history, a first in interstellar observation. October 30th, 2025, the climax. At perihelion, 1.36 astronomical units, 202 million kilometers from the Sun, 3I/ATLAS slips behind our star from Earth's perspective, its actions cloaked by a blinding electromagnetic blaze. What unfolds in that hidden hour? Is it recharging, like a spacecraft soaking solar energy? Transmitting a signal to distant listeners across the galaxy? Or simply melting under stellar fury, its secrets vaporizing into the cosmic void? The uncertainty is a gut punch, a humbling reminder of our limits against the universe's vastness. This moment stirs a complex brew of emotions. Frustration at the blackout, tempered by faith in our distant probes like Europa Clipper, poised to sample its ion tail in late October. Picture the global vigil. A scientist in Antarctica, bundled against the cold, monitors faint radio signals. A family in Mexico City, gathered around a live feed, holds their breath. A poet in Kyoto pens verses of hidden stars. This isn't just a scientific pause. It's a shared human experience, from Arctic research stations to equatorial observatories, uniting us in anticipation. The sun's glare, a cosmic curtain, challenges us to trust in our collective effort. Probes, rovers, and radio dishes across the solar system, weaving a net of data. It's a testament to human resilience. What's unseen isn't unknowable. Across cultures, the sun holds profound meaning. Life in Egyptian mythology, Surya's radiance in Hinduism. Yet here it conceals, adding layers to the mystery. From indigenous Australian star lore to modern SETI scans, this moment fosters patience and hope, a universal language of wonder. The data expected in December, post-perihelion, could redefine our cosmic narrative, answering whether 3I/ATLAS is a natural oddity or something more. Imagine the stories this will birth. Classroom debates in Shanghai, stargazing tales in Santiago, inspiring generations to look up. If this suspense grips your heart, share this story with a friend who loves the stars. Comment: what do you hope 3I/ATLAS is doing behind the sun's veil? Your imagination adds vibrant threads to this global tapestry of curiosity. From the solar shadow, we turn to the legacy that endures. As 3I/ATLAS arcs outward, visible again in December 2025, its shadow lingers long after its departure, a cosmic echo that resonates across the globe. Probes like Hera and Europa Clipper, sampling its ion tail, carry our questions into the interstellar void, seeking answers that could reshape our understanding. Was it a natural marvel, sculpted by alien physics in a distant star's crucible? Or an engineered envoy, a whisper from another intelligence crossing light years to brush our doorstep? The debate rages. Scientists versus dreamers, skeptics versus believers, but the wonder is universal, a beacon uniting humanity. Avi Loeb's Black Swan warning, a low-odds event with paradigm-shifting potential, urges us to prepare, not panic, for what the cosmos might reveal. This isn't just a comet. It's a mirror reflecting our curiosity, our unity, our relentless drive to explore the unknown. The emotional legacy is profound, touching hearts across the world. Picture a child in Peru, sketching 3I/ATLAS's jet in a notebook, dreaming of piloting starships. A retiree in Russia, telescope trained on the fading visitor, feeling the spark of youth reignited. From Cairo's bustling markets to Greenland's silent fjords, this story weaves a global tapestry, reminding us we're all under one cosmic roof. Its anomalies, sunward jet, alien chemistry, eerily precise path challenge our textbooks, pushing science to evolve. SETI's renewed vigor, scanning for signals aligned with its trajectory, echoes our collective hope for connection, a dream shared from Aboriginal star lore to modern radio dishes. This visitor, whether rock or relic, has sparked conversations in every language, from academic journals to social media threads, uniting professors in Cambridge with stargazers in rural Mongolia. The data, still streaming in as of October 26th, will fuel decades of study, from Mars' pixelated portraits to tail samples rich with clues. Each bite could rewrite our cosmic narrative, confirming a natural oddity or unveiling evidence of artifice. Across cultures, this moment resonates deeply. A Maori storyteller sees a star waka sailing the heavens. A Japanese poet crafts haikus of fleeting light. A schoolgirl in Nigeria imagines leading the next mission to intercept such a wanderer. 3I/ATLAS, though fleeting, plants seeds of wonder that will bloom for generations, inspiring new telescopes, new theories, new dreams. It's a call to look up, to ask questions, to unite in pursuit of the unknown, from bustling cities to remote villages. If this legacy stirs your soul, hit like and share. Let's keep the cosmos alive in our hearts. Comment: what's the one lesson 3I/ATLAS leaves you with? Your voice completes this story, binding us in a shared journey under the stars. The universe is vast, but our curiosity is vaster still. Let's carry this wonder forward, together,